Hi guys, this is a small mini drill I've made. It uses a standard sewing machine motor, 240 volts, a light dimmer switch, and also I bought a micro drill which is housed in a 1/2 inch oilite bearing. Currently drilling a 1mm hole through a brass plate. Take the drive off and you can use a D-bit or a reamer and just ream as you require for better control by hand. This is another attachment I put on. Again, you can just see nice control with that, and then pull it down using the micro drill to get good control for the depth you require for the oil sink. Now the clever bit, you're going to like this. Turn it round, put it on its side, and it becomes a polishing or burnishing lathe. Just have to move the supports out of the way. There's a small pinion wheel, and I had to go at making my first burnishing tool. It's just made from a piece of high-speed steel. You can see, look at that, hardly any run out whatsoever. I'm quite pleased with that. There's a slight reduction in speed as I apply load, but I don't think it's anything to concern myself about, especially if I was just polishing up using some standard polish. Hope you like it. Cheers, bye.